Hey guys, we got Kevin.
This is Danny.
We're going to talk to you a little bit about this JL kit we got from PSC. So PSC was kind enough to give California State Parks a good deal on the kit. So right here is the factory JL power steering box. It's an aluminum box, not really heavy duty enough for what we're trying to do with the 40-inch tall tires. So this is a new box from PSC. You can tell, a lot more bigger, a lot more robust. It has the ports in it ready to go for the Hydro Assist. We're going to be running an 1 3/4, 6-inch long ram, and then Kevin's going to tell you a little bit about the power steering pumps.
Factory electric power steering pump that's down on the frame rail. It's actually not with any pulleys, belts, nothing. It's all ran by itself. Going back to the older TC style power steering pump, they give you the reservoir tanks, the remote reservoir filler tanks, all the brackets, the pitman arms, the bolts, the hardware, the coolers, pre-made lines. I mean, everything in this kit is awesome.
So I grabbed this kit off the shelf this morning. He's got it shipped to us today. And opened it up, and obviously, as you can tell, there's a whole bunch of stuff that has to come apart and go together to put this PSC kit in. So Kevin, we're going to walk over here and show you a little bit about that. Right quick on the way over, we got to give a shout out to Method. Method was nice enough to hook up California State Parks with a really good deal on a set of wheels, and we wrapped them in a set of 40-inch Nitto tires. So what all did you have to take apart in this thing, Kevin?
Well, and they're really detailed directions. It's pretty nice. They make you remove the front grille so you can access those strut rods, so you can do the cooler and bracketry and all that. Then on the passenger side, they make you remove the electric power steering pump, like I was saying earlier. Remove the belt and everything, so you have to remove the alternator because the alternator and the JLs are backwards, so all the bracketry, everything has to come off to get the belt out. Took the box out, air cleaner, and everything else like that. So everything's out. I'm getting ready to install the new.
So, like I said, obviously you guys can see this thing had to come really far apart. So we're getting close. We should have it running and driving more or less by the end of the week. So stay tuned. Keep a lookout for that.